Hello, everyone. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a crucial topic that will help maintain your team's efficiency and productivity: work requests. To keep your operations flowing smoothly, understanding the nuts and bolts of a work request is key. So stick around as we unravel the 5 critical elements of a work request, the types, and how it can revolutionize your maintenance and reliability operations. Let's dive right into the world of maintenance and reliability teams. Today, we're going to talk about work requests. So, what exactly is a work request? It's a formal document, either digital or paper, that describes maintenance work that needs to be done. It's the customer's way of telling the maintenance department what work is needed. The maintenance department is filled with skilled workers who take care of facilities, grounds, equipment, vehicles, and other assets. They support a variety of customer needs, which can quickly pile onto regular scheduled work, like routine cleaning and preventive maintenance. To manage and validate all tasks, it's crucial that maintenance operates with a clear workflow. Now let's break down a work request into its 5 key elements. First, we have the requesting party, which can be an individual person or a department. Second, we have the issue. This could be anything from a leaky faucet, carpentry work, snow removal, landscaping, interior lighting renewal, tooling changeover, to vehicle repair. Third, we have the priority. This could be low, medium, or high, and due date should be stated if known. Fourth, we have the location. This should specify the area in the facility and the specific plant if there are multiple. And fifth, we have the budget. This is important for work planning and negotiations, accounting and finance records, and management approval. The more detailed a work request, the faster maintenance supervisors and managers can turn it into a work order. Work requests can be classified in several ways. Let's explore 3 types of work requests. First, by the type of requester. This could be a tenant request, like if the HVAC stops working or a toilet is running. It could be an operator request, like if a machine stops working. Or it could be an employee request, like for furniture relocation, change of office lights, or carpet repair. Second, by the type of establishment. This could be a school request for things like restrooms, classrooms, or laboratories maintenance. It could be a park request for things like turf, landscaping, or sign repair. Or it could be an industrial request for things like blast furnaces, boilers, or food conveyor maintenance. Third, by the type of priority. This could be discretionary, which is important but not mandatory, like office painting, moving of furniture, or cubicle upgrading. Or it could be non-discretionary, which is mandatory. This could be an emergency, which is associated with protecting lives or preventing loss of expensive assets, like chemical spills, power failures, or ice removal from walkways. It could be urgent, which is associated with the timeliness of work needed, like restoration of hot water in a lavatory, air conditioning repair, or running urinals. It could be routine, like preventive maintenance activities, routine cleaning, or lawn mowing. Or it could be non-routine, which in addition to emergency and urgent work, also includes planned special projects. Let's look at an example of a work request. Through UpKeep's CMMS software, Food Packer ABC's production manager submits a work request to their maintenance team with the following details. The work request title is Install New Food Packing Line. The details are that the new packing line has been delivered with 12 pallets. They are to be installed in the same processing room as 8 other lines. They are a month behind on this project and need additional capacity to deliver their customer requirements. They aim to complete assembly 1 week from receipt of this request. The remaining project budget is $3,000. The priority is high. In this example, the production manager is under pressure to get the company's new packing line up and running within 1 week. The work request is submitted to maintenance with the goal of getting it converted to a work order. Certain parameters are included in the details, and those need to be considered by maintenance before moving to the next step of the workflow. The work request allows the maintenance department to ask the following questions. Can we perform the work within the requested timeline? Do we have the resources internally to complete the request? If we don't have the internal resources, is the remaining budget sufficient to cover outsourcing costs? Do we have the assembly instructions? If we can't complete within the requested time, when can we do it? In this scenario, the type of request can be considered a non-routine request, as it is a special project. That said, it is likely that the work request will be converted into a work order, and the rest of the steps in the workflow will follow. So, how do work requests improve maintenance? Instead of everything being turned into a work order, work requests serve as a regulator between desired work and assigned work. Everything must pass through a filter, whether that's the supervisor, manager, or someone else. This improves prioritization and organization. In our example with food packer ABC, the specific benefit to maintenance is that the expectations are made clear in the details section of the work order. These come in the form of the reason for the urgency, desired completion timeline, and allocated budget. If all parameters can be met, the assigned maintenance person will approve the work request and convert it to a work order. If not all parameters can be met, then the assigned maintenance person will have to communicate what is achievable with the requester. And that brings us to the end of our discussion on work requests. We've covered their purpose, the 5 key elements, the different types, and how they can improve your maintenance operations. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more, and remember, a well-maintained team is a successful team.